official statement on the remarks of the Undersecretary General for UN Peace Operations during a briefing to the UN Security Council. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation has taken note of the recent remarks delivered by the Undersecretary General for UN Peace Operations, His Excellency Jean-Pierre Lacroix, during his briefing to the United Nations Security Council. Of particular relevance are his comments on the implementation of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, as well as his observations concerning the position of the government of the Republic of South Sudan on the implementation of the mandated United Nations contingency plan for the downsizing of the United Nations mission in South Sudan. The government of the Republic of South Sudan expresses its concern regarding certain characterizations made by His Excellency Jean-Pierre Lacroix relating to the implementation of the revitalized peace agreement. The government reiterates its unwavering commitment to the full implementation of the agreement and to upholding the rule of law. The government further acknowledges the financial challenges currently facing United Nations peace operations and reaffirms the assurances provided by His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, during the recent visit of His Excellency Jean-Pierre Lacroix to Juba. The government of the Republic of South Sudan remains firmly committed to constructive and collaborative engagement with the United Nations in support of the effective fulfillment of the mission's mandate. The document transmitted to UNMISS reflects the position and legitimate concerns of the government regarding specific aspects of the UN contingency plan, which remains open for further discussion. To facilitate a coordinated and mutually agreed path forward, the government has proposed the immediate establishment of a joint technical working group to develop practical modalities for implementation. The government rejects any suggestion that its engagement undermines the viability of the mission. All actions undertaken by the government are guided by its sovereign responsibility to ensure that activities within the Republic of South Sudan, including those of UNMISS, are conducted in a secure, coordinated, transparent, and orderly manner. The government remains fully committed to the status of forces agreement, including its obligations to guarantee the safety and security of United Nations personnel and assets, and expects continued adherence to the agreement's provisions by all parties. The government of the Republic of South Sudan values the important role being played by UNMISS and remains committed to working closely with the mission and the United Nations Security Council to ensure that its mandate is carried out effectively and in a manner that fully respects the sovereignty of the Republic of South Sudan.